I sell it. I will show it to you as well. There's bag that my OB gynecologist gave to me. Parang she gave it to me first appointment there, but di ko pa siya like really na open. I opened and then I saw vitamin, like prenatal vitamin. So I took, I took I took the prenatal vitamins kasi nagagamit ko siya. Ubos na nga yung parang like free na. Kat. They gave like 1 week prenatal vitamins. So, galing sa OB ko. So, kinuha ko for the rest. Hindi ko pa nagalaw. So, I will get it and I'll show it to you. Yung binigay. Same with Aeon's pregnancy. But ito lang yung inopen ko kasi may nakita akong vitamin at prenatal vitamins. So, ayun, I took it. But the rest, di ko pa siya nakita kung ano yung laman. Merong diapers. Ayan, ito yung prenatal vitamins na binigay nila. This is for 1 week. 1 week pack. Nakuha ko na. Tawag dun. Wash ng damit. Sample. This one. Perhaps this is good. Because I also, last time with Aeon, when Aeon was still baby, I also bought like special get a special laundry detergent for his clothes nung super baby pa siya. Yung pang baby talaga sa Bio Planet ko yung binili, but perhaps it's also good. So I will try this. Meron pang ibang mga free. Kailangan ko mag-register online para ma-receive ko yung ibang free. Kasi itong dalawa lang kasi yung binigay sa gynecologist, OB gynecologist. So ito, ayan. So meron pa pala. So kailangan kong mag-register online. Tapos ma-receive 5 pa na dozen. For me and the baby. Oh! More diapers. Yeah, this from Colroyd. Here. Diapers 3. Free. Pacifier po. Ayan. Ito. Lotion. Sample din. Ayan. Good afternoon po. I went to the store na malapit lang dito and then to the Filipino store na it's very close here as well. And I wanted to film. Nadala ako ng camera but then when I went there sa store, Filipino store, nag-usap kami ng may-ari. Pinay din po na very close lang sa amin dyan sa probinsya. Yung bahay din out like lugar nila. So hindi ako nakapag-film. And then doon sa other store, when I went inside, it's a bit crowded, so I was shy to film. So hindi nila ako nag-film. So I will just show you the things that I bought. Ito, of course, because I will make mango float sa birthday ni Hannibal. So bumili ako ng 3 mango. Then banana, kasi nabusan kami ng banana. And ito yung sa Filipino store. Ayan, Grahams. I went there while Aeon is awake. Sleeping. And ngayon, tulog pa siya hanggang ngayon. Ayan. 3. Tapos turon. And saging sabaw. I'll put it in the freezer. This is for the, like, macaroni salad. Ito. Tapos, bumili din ako ng sardinas. He was crying. Because mama is not with him. And I changed his clothes because he was sweating so hard. Medyo warm talaga na. I only spent 20 euro and 25 cents sa Filipino store. Roasted chicken. Pang dinner namin later. Mostly talaga ingredients for the mango float and macaroni salad. Ito cheese for the macaroni salad. Ang little fries para sa ikain. Yeah. Water. Okay. Wow. Para fries, super thin fries. Macaroni. Mayonnaise na ihahalo ko, yung original. Mayonnaise for the fries later. And fruit cocktail, 2. I spent a lot because these are very expensive. Ito, fruit cocktail. Especially this is very expensive and I bought 4 for the mango float and tawag dun? Macaroni salad. But it's okay. It's only once. It's been so low. It's been so long, I think, bago ko ng mango float and macaroni salad. Tagal na. Birthday ni Honey Boo, so ano na lang. Okay lang. Cream as well. Room cream na hindi same sa atin ng Nestle cream sa atin na basta it's different. The texture or ano ba tawag is the consistency is different, but this, yeah, it's different, but it's okay. Some bread, ito. For Honey Boo ito, tapos sa akin ito at kay Iyo. Papa is working. Ba, Mama just here. Mama just opened the door. Ayun, eat?
Yeah, eat.
Okay. Kinuha yung isang grahams. Yeah.
Wow!
Elsie, please. Ne?
No.
Ayaw na. Okay lang niya. Mama, let's eat this as well. Binaklar, Honey Boo. I also put hay already.
No! Back.
Hey, you move. Oh, you eat it, huh? Kaput. Eat. Yeah. You find it lekker? You find it lekker? Yeah. That for Papa. Move in.
That,
Yeah.
if ever the dogs will jump on here, they won't go.
Mama, teacher.
Only 1 minute and you're glad.
No, I have to be there.
Where's Mama Church?
Ayun, Mama. Mama, here. Good job.
Thank you. Amazing, eh?
Yeah, amazing that that. That will be here as well, Honey Boo, then.
No.
Ah, no?
Oh, yeah.
Mama, here.
Okay, Dad.
Look neat glad here, huh? It will still be kaput.
That's it.
Ayun, versity. Mama just here.
Yeah.
He farted.
Ring.
Yeah.
It's him. Is it him? Oh, that was...
Because he was like,
Good morning po. Ay, good noon na pala. Lapit na alas 12. So, yummy. Tawag doon, watermelon. Iyan is already eating. Tapos, avocado din. Kain namin. And then, yung the saging saba that I bought yesterday sa Filipino shop na malapit dito. So, yummy. Honey go ate a little bit. Oh. Kakakain niya lang. So, busog pa daw siya. Ay, kakakain niya lang yung yogurt at fruits. Kaya, hindi niya ay sabi niya tikim lang.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Hello po. Hello po. Good morning. By the way po, thank you so much sa mga nice comments niyo about sa hair ko. Thank you. Medyo nag-fly away siya dito konti, but it will be like better. Una, hindi naman siya nag-fly away. Ano lang, this stage lang siya nag-fly away. But it will get better. It will be okay pag medyo mataas na siya. Oh, grabe po. Ano na talaga. I think I'm experiencing yung Braxton Hicks contraction po. Yung parang false labor siya. Yung parang medyo masakit siya. Tightening and hardening of stomach. And then a little bit pain. But then pain na it's not labor. Just a little bit pain. And then I'm experiencing it now. Oh, come on, she's ano na talaga siya. Though, already, di ba yung Braxton Hicks, ano yun, kahit earlier, ano na siya, pero hindi pa masyadong ma-feel. But ngayon, ma-feel ko na talaga. Medyo sumasakit na talaga siya. Like, I was just standing, or I'm doing something, for example, I'm standing, or I'm doing something, and then, just, immediately, medyo sumasakit siya. Pasuplot-suplot lang na medyo masakit. Tapos, like, hardening and tightening. Though I also experienced that when I was pregnant with Ayon. Lapit na kasi, 34 na. 35 na this week. So, malapit na talaga. With Ayon, I gave birth at 39 weeks. 39 weeks and 2 days. Yeah, 39 weeks and 2 days. So, probably like, mga 5 weeks na lang siguro. Yeah. So, ayun na siya. Sumasakit talaga siya. Malapit na talaga akong manganak. Malapit na talaga akong magkaroon ng baby ko. Ayun, you will receive baby girl.
Eat it.
Oh.